We all want to socialize in restaurants again, but before we can get back to business, we need to set up some systems to keep customers safe. Bright Menu provides establishments with a touchless solution that enables customers to display a menu on their personal mobile devices. Here's how it works. Customers connect to a BrightSign player via Wi-Fi, then scan a printed QR code to view the menu. Bright Menu runs on any phone with a browser, and any number of patrons can view a menu at once. Connecting and viewing the menu does not require an internet connection, app download, or even HD display. The solution works because the menu's hosted directly on a player that acts as a server. Then the player nearcasts the menu throughout your restaurant. In these uncertain times, we must accept that many things will never be the same. But with the right planning and effort, it's going to be even better. BrightSign, the most valuable player.